Today we're going to be installing the front license plate bracket. This bracket holds the front license plate. Here shown is the OEM bracket, and it comes with 7 screws total. And I'm also going to use a very thin drill bit. This is to open up the hole so that the screws don't have as much stress when they're going in. And here's my drill bit, which I'm going to change, and I'm going to put a Phillips. This is just to make my job easier. And you can use a standard Phillips screwdriver, however I just want to get this over with quicker. And make sure not to cover this sensor here. And you'll put a hole here, here, and here. So the bracket states just to not cover the radar system, and if you watch this video it'll be pretty straightforward, so you shouldn't have an issue if you do install. There will be 3 black screws. These black screws will be screwing into the bumper. And there are 4 silver screws. These will be used to hold the license plate onto the bracket. A huge lifesaver here will be using a piece of duct tape. It'll assure that you screw it on and it doesn't move. Make sure the center hole is aligned with the center of the logo. And make sure not to over torque, because you can strip the bumper as you're screwing into plastic. Give it a couple of wiggles to make sure it is on there snug. And this bracket feels very secure, so I feel confident in it. Next I'll be making 4 small incisions. These are for the 4 screws that will hold the license plate on. I'll be attaching these 4 silver screws, however I'm personally going to change them to 4 black screws shortly. And I think the 4 black screws give the front end a much more attractive look, but again it's just personal preference. And I got a 16 pack of these on Amazon for around $7. You just have to look a little bit more and you can find a better deal on these. And again, just make sure not to over torque. Alright, here's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.